Hello and welcome back to another week of distance learning. In this video, you're going to see the grammar overview packet. So let's get started. All right, so I'm looking at the checkoff list for week 2. I start on Monday and it says grammar pages 1 to 2. So you're gonna pull out your grammar packet. It will be combined sentences starting on page 1. In this page, you're just gonna be combining the sentences like we've done before. So the first one will say, my sister plays soccer, my brother plays soccer. So you're going to rewrite the sentence, combining it. For an example, you could say, my sister and brother plays soccer. Or, my sister plays soccer and my brother plays soccer. And you're going to go ahead and do that all the way down to number 5 with rewriting them. Okay? On page 2, you're going to be working on adjectives. Again, something that we practiced last week, so you should be able to know. Right here it says page 2, that's how you'll know you're on the right page. It says underline the adjective in each sentence and circle the noun that describes it. If you don't know the noun, that's okay because we've just been working on adjectives for the last couple weeks, so let's just focus on the adjectives. An adjective is a describing word, so you should be looking for the describing word. For example, number 1 says, Elisa wore blue shoes to school. What kind of shoes did she wear? Blue. So you would go ahead and circle blue. All right? And you would do that all the way down to number 10. For Tuesday, you're seeing grammar pages 3 through 4. So for 3, looking at the same packet, you're going to see the consonant, vowel, consonant, and consonant syllables. So syllables are when we clap the word together. Like if I look at mistake, I see mistake. There's 2 syllables in there. So what we're going to do is write the spelling word that matches each definition. Again, folks, these are not our spelling words on our Sights for Sound. These are just spelling words in our grammar packet. So don't get confused when the spelling test comes up. The directions for this page on page 3 says write the spelling word that matches each definition. A hard, round fruit. Well, if I look up here, I can see mistake, shape, apple, useful, table, inside, purple, hope, little, baseball. So a hard, round fruit would be an apple. So then you would write apple on the line. You do that all the way down to number 7. And then for number 8 through 10, you are going to write an antonym. So an antonym means opposite. So if the word says outside, the opposite of outside is inside. So for 8, you would write inside. On page 4, it's some of the same words, but this time you're going to be working on syllables. So like I said before, that's when we clap out the words. So this says 1 syllable words with the vowel consonant E. So you could try hope. Hope is 1 syllable. It has a vowel, consonant, and an E. So you would write hope. All right, moving right along, we're on Wednesday. It's showing grammar pages 5 through 6. So here on page 5 is contractions. We've kind of started this and we watched a couple videos, so I will give you a refresher. But it's when we take 2 words and we combine them, making 1 word. For example, was not, wasn't. I was not able to go. I wasn't able to go. It makes your sentences a little bit easier to read. So for this one, you're going to underline the contraction, then write the words that make the contraction. So for number 1, I've never been to the circus. Well, I've is the contraction because it has the little, what is that thing called? Apostrophe. I'm so sorry, friends. And then you're going to make the word. So I would circle or underline the contraction, and then I would say, I have. Therefore, it's I have never been to the circus, and you're just making that 1 word to I've. Again, you're looking for the apostrophe. So the artist hasn't sold any of his paintings. Hasn't has the apostrophe. Therefore, hasn't is the contraction, and has not is the two words that make that contraction. All right. Then you can come down here and you can see 6 and 7 are when you're going to combine them. So you're going to rewrite the sentence and combine those words. So did not would become didn't. You would take that O out and put an apostrophe. All right. And then Samantha could not bring her brother to school. Contraction would be combining these two words. Could not. Couldn't. For Wednesday, page 6, we're working on commas. This is when we pause in a sentence. So commas are used to set off instructional clauses, introductory clauses and phrases in a sentence. So that's kind of when we pause. So before Juno became goalie, pause, so I do a comma, the team had lost all of its games. When the rain started, comma, we ran off the field. All right. Then you're going to read all those sentences and you're going to add the comma. So anywhere where you pause, you're going to put the comma in. For Thursday, you're going to see grammar pages 7 through 8. And so we're going to be looking at vowel teams. These are just when two vowels are going together and make a certain sound, all right? So you are going to complete each sentence for 1 through 5. The little blank is learning to walk. And your words up here are joyful, coin, toy, voice, join, boy, noise, boil, enjoy, point. The little blank is learning to walk. The little boy is learning to walk. All right, and you're going to do that all the way down. And then at the here, you're going to write the spelling word that is the synonym. So that means the same. So happy also means joyful. So you would write joyful. Sound is something that you listen to, or it can be a noise. So noise. All right. And for page 8, you're going to be working on the same words, and you're just going to fill them in. So this is spelling words, the vowel team OI. So you're looking for all the words that have OI. So you would write coin, OI, voice, and you would write them all down. And then for when you get down here, it's one syllable with the OY and two syllables with OY. All right, and then you're going to circle the two spelling words that rhyme. And you know how to rhyme. Toy, voice, boy, joyful. Well, toy and boy rhyme, so you'd circle those. For Friday, this is page 9 through 11, and it is for my more advanced learners, but go ahead and try your best. This is called irregular plural nouns. 3rd grade, we've been working on this a lot on our morning work. You should be able to make the changes. If you cannot do this page, that's okay. Just skip it. It's not worth the frustration. So we are going to go ahead and circle the plural noun that completes each sentence, and then we're going to write it on the line. So the words are geese, cacti, shelf, child, children, goose, cactus, shelves. So as you can see, shelves is a multiple of one shelf. Goose is one goose. Geese are many geese. Do you see how that works? So there are 20 happy blank in our classroom. Well, 20 means more than one. So I can't say there are 20 happy child in our classroom. I would say there are 20 happy children in our classroom. All right, so you're going to fill in those words, and then you're going to try down here, and the words are actually up here for number 5. So I see 3 gray mouse. No, mouse is 1. I see 3 gray mice. Okay. Many person came to my party. Not person, that's one. More than one is people. Many people came to my party. All right, so for number 10, it's a little bit more of this. It's the same thing where you would just read the words and then fill it in. So the words are life, tooth, teeth, calves, wolf, lives, calf, wolves. All right, go ahead and read the sentence and fill them in. Try your best. And for page 11, this is just circling the word that completes each sentence, and it's using the other vowel teams that we haven't worked on yet. So, for example, your words are now, count, house, owl, brown, mouth, out, cow, town, round. But they give you a word blank right here. So the blank gives us fresh milk. What gives you fresh milk? The cow. She is blank and white. She is brown and white. She is now and white. She is count and white. Oh, she is brown and white. So you would go ahead and fill that in all the way down. All right, class, good luck, and let me know if you have any questions.